Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
Open Settings on your iPhone to start. Tap Control Center next to your display options. Scroll to More Controls and find Apple TV Remote in the list. Tap the green plus to add it immediately. Confirm the remote appears in Included Controls near the top. Make sure your iPhone is signed into the same Apple ID used on your Apple TV. Also enable Bluetooth and Wi-Fi to allow the remote to discover the Apple TV automatically. Swipe down from the top right corner to open Control Center quickly. Tap the Apple TV remote icon to reveal the pairing screen. Select your Apple TV name when it appears in the device list. If prompted, enter the 4-digit pairing code shown on the Apple TV screen. Wait a few seconds while the devices finish pairing. When pairing is successful, you will see the full remote interface with navigation, play, and home buttons available for control. With the remote interface open, locate the Home or TV button near the center. Press and hold that Home or TV button for 2 seconds to reveal power options. A sleep option will appear on the screen as a simple button. Tap Sleep once to put the Apple TV into a low power state immediately. The Apple TV screen will go dark and active inputs will stop responding. To wake it, simply press any remote button or reopen the remote on your iPhone.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.